Are you smarter than artificial intelligence? In the not-so-distant future, that question may become a reality. With the rapid advancements in technology, AI is revolutionizing our world. Imagine a world where machines can not only process vast amounts of information but also understand and learn from it. AI is evolving at an astonishing rate, with experts predicting that by 2024, it will be able to outperform humans in many tasks. But what does this mean for us? Will AI render our intelligence obsolete? The answer is not as simple as it may seem. While AI excels at tasks requiring vast knowledge and computation, there are certain aspects of human intelligence that it may never fully replicate. Our ability to think creatively, form emotional connections and understand complex social dynamics is what sets us apart. However, AI is constantly improving, raising questions about the boundaries and limitations of our own intelligence. As we navigate the AI revolution, it's crucial to remember that humans and AI can coexist and work together to achieve incredible feats. Our challenge is to harness the power of AI, while also embracing the unique qualities that make us human. So, are you smarter than AI? Perhaps it's not about competing, but rather finding ways to collaborate and leverage the strengths of both. Together we can shape a future where human intelligence and artificial intelligence complement each other, leading to unimaginable progress and possibilities. Thanks for watching the video. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more thought-provoking content.